Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to customize your server in Discord. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now click this plus icon. Here you can select one of them. I'm selecting study group. Now I'm selecting for me and my friends. Here you have to customize your server. Now give a name of your server. Now click on create. So this is how you can customize your server in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.